Align the two pieces of tube setters. Workers weld at both ends. Please wear heat-insulating gloves. Gently insert the welding gun into the joint of the two tube setters and stay for 2 seconds. Press it with hands and stay for 5 seconds and wait for the cooling sink. 60 degrees. Let's see how to cutting. Use a 2.5 square plug into the leaf and neutral wires at the input. Use a 2.5 square wire to connect heating wire for cutting. Let electric wires into the leaf and neutral at the output. Range of voltage regulation. Slowly adjust from 0 until the cutting heating wire turns red and hot. Then stop. Please note that it must be adjusted slowly in a small range. Straighten the heating wire for cutting. Corners cutting according to the actual inside and outside corners dimensions on the project site.